Okay, I'm going to record a short little instructional video for both the online and my lecture class that normally meets on Monday and Wednesday morning at 9:30. And since we will not be meeting physically for the rest of the semester, I will be available on Zoom office meetings to help you one-on-one if you need it, the lecture students. And so I'm going to share with you some videos that actually I created last semester. So in these videos, when you're watching them, you'll have to ignore if I refer to any due dates or anything, but they cover all the same information by week. And just before the end of the first 8 weeks, I know I was not available for 2 weeks. And so I'm going to make these videos available, but in Module 2, you need to complete all of Module 2 by the end of next week. And actually, we're going to I'm going to offer the test in an online Zoom meeting next week, which will be the week of March the 30th. So all of these things need to be completed this week if you have not done the things that are in Module 2. And these videos should take you even through Project 2. There's the very last video will be about Project 2. Let me share my screen so I can show you what you're going to be looking at in the YouTube video list. So you should be seeing my YouTube playlist for Spring 20 Fundamentals, and that's the link that I have in the YouTube link that I have in our course. And so I've been uploading all of our videos for this semester up here, and you can see Spring 20 Week 8. But then you'll notice right after that one, because here's where all of ours are, and then Project 1 review is down here. You'll see ones that start with Fall 19, 9:30, Week 6-2. This is some review that you may or may not need. It has, I believe it goes over some of the problems from even as far back as Chapter 2 in MindTap. And then this one starts into those in Chapter 4 and those that are in Module 2. Let me go to where so in Module 2, this is everything that's covered in Module 2. It started here, and I was here for part of this. And the Unit 3 tested, and we covered these in class, and we had done this one in class. I don't know if we did Part 2 or not. Then this was your Unit 4 test in MindTap, and this one, Functions, is the guy on the video, and one of these YouTube, I go through this also, but he introduces you to functions, which is the only thing with the if statements that are required in test number 2 that we'll be taking at the end of next week. So this is not a requirement. It's kind of a fun little thing to do, and it's for extra credit if you want to do it. But these are the MindTap problems, and you'll notice that I've included after each one the actual Python that works in IDLE. So if you have problems with these or you can't follow along with the video, I have included those here. So here are the last problems here before Project 2. And some students had tried to start on Project 2. And don't worry about any of these dates, because these dates are not accurate. I'll go in and adjust, as there are no late on anything until we take test 2. So you can't see this test 2 because it's not published yet, but you will do Project 2, and then you'll see there is a video here. Let me go over to where it is that goes over Project 2, and you'll see this in my YouTube list. Down here it says Fall 19, Week 8, Functions, and Project 2. So I cover where that guy with the bald cap does the functions video, and then I also cover Project 2. So if you don't understand it, please let me know. Send me an email and we'll set up a Zoom recording for you. But you should have all that you need in order to complete that module 2 at this point. And if you're struggling with that, please let me know, because I know this has been a really strange semester, because I didn't even make it until all of the coronavirus thing because of my accident. So you all are kind of at a disadvantage this semester, the lecture classes. And so I'm hoping these videos will kind of make up for that, because these are from my fall lecture class. So let me know if you need some more help, and I will be glad to schedule something with you. I still only have the use of my left hand, and that's why the grading is where it is, but I'm supposed to get my cast off on Tuesday. So hopefully I will be able to use the keyboard better after that. So just let me know if you need some more help and I will work with you. Hope this helps.